Okay, so this is the next video, and in this video I'm going to add like the orders. So if you want to get orders like from the URL, so first of all, you know that the paging is there in the orders. And also we have some parameters. So let params equals to new http params, and check the order params data like the filter. So order param dot filter, and order param dot filter is not the first parameter is you have an filters, and it's not equals to, that is all. And so you can just consider it param equals to params dot append, and there we have a run status, and order params dot filter. Okay, and the next one is to do it here, that is the param equals to you can apply the paging on the orders. So params dot append the page index, and the page index is actually contain your order params. So order params dot page index. So the order params have an page index. Similar, you have the page size. So params equals to params dot append the page size, and order params dot the page size. Okay, and just after that, they return all the orders with their parameters. So return this dot http dot get order. So with the pagination, so http dot get pagination of order. This dot base URL, and set your admin slash order with their params. Okay, so that get all the orders. Okay, so that is my complete orders, and that is get order by their ID. And also you can add the refund your payment, so refund order ID with their number, and return is what, return this dot http dot post order, and this dot base URL, because I want to uh, refund the order based on their ID. So admin dot orders slash refund, and their ID. So this is the that is my uh, admin services, that is orders get order by their ID and the refund order. Now the next service to implement, that is the cart service. So just replace it with the cart service. And after that I will test my APIs first, then after you test your services with the help of the component. So here we have a cart service. Now again, first of all, add the base URL in the cart service. Now after that, you can add a HTTP client to call your cart services. And we all know that I was add cart in the Redis cache. So private HTTP is inject HTTP client, and cart is what? Cart is a you can add in the signal. So in the signal we have an cart, and also the cart is null. And after that you can calculate the item counts in the cart. Okay, so first of all check your cart, that is the type of the cart, and also the cart and the null. Now after that I will compute the items of the cart. So I want to compute item counts, and this is the computed signal. So it's a computed, that is the signal. I want to compute it at first. So I want to count the items which is included in your user's cart. So return this dot cart, it's maybe nullable dot items, and here you can see that there is no item in the cart. So first of all I want to define the cart model, and just use control dot, it's not there. So you can see that here we have a cart.cs. So you can see that cart type, cart items, and the coupons is also there, but not inside your cart. So first of all I want to define the cart. Okay, and cart is actually implemented from the cart type. So coupon is there, but cart is not there. So export class cart, and cart, it implements the cart type. Okay, now the next one is id, and id is you can add the first one, you can take it the integer, but I just after that I will change it with the another one, that is nano id, you can say. Okay, so consider it as one first. Okay, id is the type is number. id is in the type cart is not assignable to the same property in the base type. So base type is the cart type, and cart type is string, you can say. So it's a string. Okay, that is implemented by the cart, so that we can implement it. And here you can say the cart incorrectly implements interface cart type property items is missing in that okay, so wait for some time, I will add in the items here. Items is a type of cart items, it's a array. So initialize it with the empty array. Delivery methods, delivery method, and delivery method is a type of number, it's not undefined, so it's a type of number. And payment intent id, so payment intent id is a type of string, it's not undefined. Now the next one is the client secret. Client secret is the type of string, it's not undefined. Now the next one is the coupon. The same for the coupon, that is not undefined, it's a type of coupon. Okay, so just define the card first, and the string type property is the type of the grid, but I will use it nano id here. Okay, in the later session I will use the nano id here. So cart, add imports, there is a cart, and after that cart I will add the items property here. So here we have a items property, and I want to group the items property based on their reduce method. So reduce is a method through which we can group the items. So the first thing is to calculate the item, that is sum. The next property is the item, that is the single item in the cart. So sum plus and item dot quantity, and there is 0. Okay. So the first thing is to add item counts, and the next one is the selected delivery. There is the item count, and the next one is the selected delivery. Selected delivery means you can select the delivery methods. So signal of type delivery method, or the type of null, and you can just pass it as a null argument here. And you can say that delivery method is a method. Oops. It's a type of delivery method. It's a type of signal, you can say, that is the delivery method. Cannot find the delivery method name. Okay. So first of all, must to define the delivery methods. And there is a type, but it's not there in the model section. That is the delivery method is there, delivery method.ts, but it's not defined here. So you can just add export type is delivery method, and delivery method contain the short name, that is the type of string. The next one is the delivery time, that contain the string, and description, that contains string, price, that contain number, and the last one is ID. It's a type of number. Okay, so that is my delivery methods. So we can use it, the delivery method here in the cart service. Use control dot and resolve the namespace. Now the next one is to calculate the totals. So totals is computed, and in the computed section you will calculate the total cost. So const cart, const cart is this dot cart, and the next one is to const delivery is this dot selected delivery, and this is my selected delivery, that is there. This is the signal, and you can check it if it's not in the cart. So you can check it if it is not inside in your cart, then return null. If this cart is not available, then return null. Otherwise const calculate the subtotal, and subtotal is what? Cart dot items dot reduce, and reduce calculate the subtotal, that is sum colon item based on their items. So sum plus item dot price and multiplied by item dot quantity. Okay, and this is last one is 0, initial value is 0. Now the next one is to calculate the discount. So let a discount and is first initial with the 0 if the cart dot coupon, if the cart have an coupon. So if cart dot coupon dot amount of, then apply the discount. So this is discount, and I want to get it discount value. So what is the discount value is here, and that is the discount is there. So I want to add a discount here. So you can say discount value. Discount value is what? Card.coupon dot amount of, else if card.coupon dot percent of, because we have two options, percent and the amount. So what is the discount value? Discount value is subtotal multiplied by card.coupon dot percent of is divided by 100. So here we have, the value. Now just calculate. This is my totals. I want to compute it the total value. Okay, so this is my signal, and I want to calculate shipping cost. So const shipping is what? That is delivery dot price, or otherwise 0. That is the shipping cost. And finally return what? That is subtotal shipping discount discount colon discount value. The next one is to total colon subtotal plus shipping minus discount value. So that is the last value here. So this is my total, this is my totals. Okay, so see in the next video where we will get the card details. Okay, so